Ever suffered from food poisoning and wondered how to alleviate the pain naturally? Food poisoning, an unpleasant experience to say the least, occurs when we consume contaminated or spoiled food. These contaminants could be bacteria, viruses, or even certain toxins. It's not always about how the food looks or tastes, but more about what lurks unseen. Just a few harmful microorganisms can cause havoc in your system, leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Now let's delve into how food poisoning affects your body. So, what exactly happens in your body when you get food poisoning? Well, it's a bit like a microscopic battle taking place right inside your digestive system. Here's how it works. When you ingest food contaminated with harmful bacteria or toxins, they make their way into your stomach and intestines. Once there, these unwelcome invaders can cause an infection or irritation. The body, ever vigilant, recognizes these foreign substances and reacts, leading to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. Vomiting and diarrhea, although unpleasant, are actually the body's way of getting rid of the harmful substances. It's a classic case of what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, except in this case it's what your body expels helps you heal. Meanwhile, the cramps are a result of your intestines working overtime to flush out the toxins. It's uncomfortable, yes, but it's a sign that your body is doing its job. Understanding the science behind food poisoning helps us know how to treat it effectively. Now that we know what happens in our bodies during food poisoning, how can we alleviate the pain naturally? One proven and effective home remedy for food poisoning is the 3 R's: rehydrate, rest, and replenish. Let's break these down. First, rehydrate. During food poisoning, your body loses a lot of fluids through vomiting and diarrhea. It's crucial to replenish these fluids to prevent dehydration. Sip on water, clear broths, or an oral rehydration and electrolyte solution throughout the day. Next, rest. Your body is fighting off an infection and needs energy to do so. Avoid strenuous activities and ensure you get plenty of sleep. Finally, replenish. Once you're able to keep fluids down, gradually reintroduce bland foods into your diet. Think bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, also known as the brat diet. Remember, these steps will help soothe your symptoms and speed up your recovery. However, it's essential to seek medical attention if your symptoms persist. Remember, this remedy will help soothe your symptoms, but it's essential to seek medical attention if your symptoms persist. How long does it take to recover from food poisoning, and how can you prevent it in the future? The typical recovery period from food poisoning can range from a few days to about a week. The key to prevention lies in good food hygiene practices. Always ensure food is properly cooked and stored. Be mindful of cleanliness when preparing meals. Remember, prevention is better than cure. With these tips, you can soothe your symptoms and prevent future cases of food poisoning. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. See you in the next video.